Let's introduce everyone on the panel tonight. We have Dr. Indira Tiwari, she's General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha. And we have Pandit Ajay Gautam, he's spokesperson of the Shankaracharya of Dwarkadish Peeth. Representing the Dera Sacha Sauda, the love charger Baba, the rockstar Baba, whatever you call him, is spokesperson of the Dera Sacha Sauda, Dr. Aditya Insan. Satyapal Jain of the BJP, Manjeet Singh GK of the Delhi Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, and Maheshinder Singh Grewal, who is an advisor to the Chief Minister of Punjab, and Sanjay Hegde completing our panel tonight. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, let's begin. Dr. Aditya Insan, how can castrations lead to God? Can you explain how castrations lead to God?
That is for you to answer. I mean, we have never preached this as a method to reach God. And that's very presumptuous of you to make such a statement.
It's not presumptuous at all because no, 1 second, Mr.
This has got nothing to do with the Dera. We have been
the High Court has ordered a CBI investigation into this matter. Why has the High Court ordered a CBI investigation into this matter? Because as you should know this, that a CBI investigation as per the rulings of the Supreme Court of India can only be ordered under exceptional circumstances. So you can't dismiss this charge. You can't just dismiss it.
So basically, you are trying to say that ordering a CBI inquiry is tantamount to making the accused.
No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, no, what I'm saying is that the High Court finds.
Let the inquiry.
No, one second. The High Court. No, one second. The High Court finds enough merits.
The High Court is sacrosanct.
The High Court finds enough merits into the claims.
To the extent of.
No, 1 second, Mr. Dr. Aditya. The High Court, first of all, Sanjay Hegde can explain this to you. He's an advocate in the Supreme Court. For the for a CBI investigation to be ordered, Sanjay Hegde, the High Court would have to find some merits, serious merits in the claims made by the petitioner that the castration process of 400 odd Dera followers was done by Gurmeet Ram Rahim through medical doctors employed by the Dera under the pretext that should they undergo the process, they will meet God. So if it had been a mere conspiracy against the Baba, the court would have dismissed the petition, but it didn't. Maybe you can just explain the process through which, CBI investigations are not ordered every day or every night.
Here, they're not ordered just on the drop of a hat. Here there was a petitioner who himself stayed in the Dera for as recently as about a week or two ago. He has been castrated. The High Court is satisfied that he has been castrated. The High Court is concerned at the fact that his allegation is that there are 400 more like him. The second part is that can you trust the police of Haryana to have an independent investigation? As is already now notorious public knowledge, the current government in Haryana was backed by the Baba, by the Dera. So in the interest of an independent investigation, the High Court has asked for a CBI inquiry because the allegations are grave. There can be a compromised investigation if it is left to the local police. Therefore, the central body has been asked to step in. I do think that this is one of the gravest of matters. You can worship God in almost any way that you choose to. That is your private affair. But if somebody who claims to be a man of God deceives you into even parting away with your manhood, and if that is an allegation in which has found merit with the High Court, I think it requires a very speedy investigation and immediate reporting back to the High Court, because after all, if there's more than one castrated man who is found on the to have been a member of the Dera, then that is something of serious concern to all.
You see, Mr. Hegde, why this matter is very serious is because you see what happens is, Dr. Aditya, politicians come to the Dera Sacha Sauda. Politicians say, give us your support. And sometimes the Baba supports the Congress, sometimes he supports the BJP. And in turn, obviously, cases of rape, murder and now castration drag on for years. He doesn't even appear in court. Satyapal Jain, how long is this the country that the BJP promised? When you fought the election saying India first?
Advocate,
No, what's it? Satyapal Jain, did you say India first or Baba first? I'm asking you, Satyapal Jain, is this an India first country or a Baba first country? Did you promise India first or Baba first?
To clarify.
Please.
Kindly, may I clarify, you also and Mr. Hegde also, kindly correct your facts. This writ petition was not filed after we came to power. This writ petition was filed in the High Court in 2012 when it was this Congress government at the centre and in Haryana. We came to power in Haryana on 26th of October.
Sure, that's exactly what I'm saying. Earlier he used to patronize the Congress, now he patronizes you.
The petitioner had left the data 3 years before he made the allegations.
All these offences were committed before we came to power.
3 years
so when
before
we came to power, High Court had only 2 hearings. One on 17th of November, another on the last date in December when the judge ordered. We did not oppose the handing over the case to the CBI. It is before 26th of November, October when we came to power that police never tried to arrest him. Police never traced the cases. Police never
forget what the others did.
Matter.
No, one second.
And shocked.
No, one second. First of all, Mr. Satyapal Jain, will you tell me?
How could BJP come and arrest him?
No, is it true or not that the BJP got his support in the last election? Tell me, did he support the BJP in the last election or not?
This DERA, I'm replying. This DERA has a political affairs committee. In all the elections, this DERA has been announcing its supports to the Congress. Captain Amrinder Singh, many senior Congress leaders.
But he switched. Last election he supported you. Last election he supported you.
Only in the last assembly election.
Right.
Only in the last assembly election they did not support the Congress. And may I tell you one thing more. In Sirsa, where this DERA is situated, we did not win even a single seat.
It doesn't matter what you won or you lost. Miss, 1 second, please. Please let me explain to you why I'm asking this question. My question is, sir, your silence on this man is shocking. Sir, your silence on this man is shocking. Why don't you tell me? No, first of all, the political wing.
I'm saying we stand for the rule of law.
Sir, what rule of law? Is this India first or Baba first?
We will give full cooperation to the CBI for investigation. Let CBI investigate.
Sir, your silence on the man is shocking. It doesn't take you a minute to seek the resignations of your political opponents.
Where is the question of
when
silence?
they haven't been convicted, you are completely silent.
It has been handed over to CBI last week. Where is the question of silence?
Sir, tell me first of all, Mr. Satyapal Jain.
We will give full cooperation
Mr. Satyapal Jain.
Let CBI investigate.
Mr. Satyapal Jain. Please understand how serious you are allowing a situation, Hisar-like situation to build up. Will the BJP tell us what Mr. Khattar is doing about the fact that Haryana and Punjab High Court observed, and I quote, that a search of the DERA to unearth arms and ammunitions and monitoring its activities on a periodic basis is absolute need of the hour to avoid future bloody confrontations. This was said on December 1st. What has Mr. Khattar done 26 days later?
Sir, immediately thereafter, the matter was heard by the High Court. High Court has met and handed the entire matter to CBI. We are giving the matters before the CBI. Let CBI raid there. Let CBI arrest any person it may like. Our government will give full cooperation, full coordination with the CBI. Why are you blaming unnecessarily us? We came to power.
You are in power. They gave you take their support. You take their support. The man is accused of murder. The man is accused of rape.
Simply because...
The man is accused of sexual assault.
In all the elections...
The man is now accused of forcible castration.
This rape accusation was when he was supporting Congress.
Sir,
when he was supporting Congress, when the Congress government was there.
Now,
when he supported us, after that there is not even a single...
Mr. Satyapal Jain, get your facts right. Get your facts right. In 2002,
concept you have,
in 2002, an anonymous letter was written addressed to the then Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, accusing the DERA chief of sexual abuse.
Yes.
This was in 2002. Punjab and Haryana High Court took up the matter, ordered a CBI investigation into the incident in 2002.
In 13 years, they could not establish who the author of the letter was. And we are having a whole tirade based on this.
Sir,
the author of the anonymous letter
Dr. Aditya, on the basis of... Dr. Aditya... Dr. Aditya, please.
All I want
the Punjab and Haryana High Court on the 17th of December 2014 asked the Central Bureau of Investigation, 1 minute, special court in Panchkula to conclude the rape trial against Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh within 6 months. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? And you...
beautiful. We love that judgment.
Well, there's no judgment. It's a fact.
Judgment.
It's a fact.
Let the trial come to a close. So
well, why has the trial not come to a close? That's my question.
Exactly.
That's my question.
That judgment because the fact
no. That's my question to you. That's my question to you. How has he skipped court appearances? Has he appeared in court? Has he appeared in court till now? Dr. Aditya, tell me, has he appeared in court?
Yes, we have. There is no procedure in the court of law where one can skip appearances without a proper exemption. We have been attending the court regularly. The exemptions have been few and far between. This thesis and
exemptions are few and far between. Okay, fine.
This is without basis. The process of the court.
You are so wrong. You are so wrong. The CBI lawyer, HPS Verma, has alleged that Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has made... 1 minute, listen to me.
If he is lying,
you listen to me, sir. He has made more than 100 video conference appearances, but not a single physical appearance in court.
Have been sanctioned by the Honorable High Court.
Now, do you want to listen? Do you want to listen, please? Do you want to listen? I believe. Now, understand this, Dr. Aditya. I believe that in this country, all these Babas must be brought down to earth. You understand what I'm saying? Bring them down to earth. 1 second. 1 second. 1 minute. These Babas think they are a law unto themselves. We'll bring them down to earth. Bring the Babas down to earth. Who do these Babas think they are? Who are they? Whatever, maybe your Guruji is not my Guruji.
You're getting the facts
Please,
wrong.
Don't demand allegiance from every person because he's your Guruji.
The Babas who belong to the Hinduism only, why you are not talking?
My question is, sir, please understand, he's a messenger of God, right? So here's my question.
Why you are not talking?
Which one of you
are not talking about
the messenger of God? Let the trial get over.
No, one second. Just 1 minute. What am I saying? What am I saying, Dr. Aditya? Listen to me.
You have to allow me to put
listen to me, please.
Yeah, please.
Listen to me, please. Okay? He's a messenger of God, right? For you, not for me. So listen to me. The CBI lawyer has alleged that Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has made more than 100 video conference appearances, not a single physical appearance in court, which you should know is mandatory under Section 313 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Given that Justice K. Kannan had corroborated the fact that, I quote, there has not been a single instance when the respondent has appeared in person in court. The fact is Section 313 of the Constitution has been violated. Does a messenger of God break the law like this? What kind of law is this? Just because you got political patronage, break the law. No need to appear in court. Why?
Allow me to answer.
No, why? Why? And you know what he says? No, one second. You know what he says?
Allow me to answer.
You are talking about the Purulia after some time.
So I'm not interested in what he says. You have to allow me to answer.
I'll talk about Purulia. When I talk about Purulia, I'm asking you, it has been alleged by Anshul Chhatrapati, who is the son of the slain Ramchandar Chhatrapati, that the Dera chief did not appear before the CBI court once again, saying he has got a back pain, but was shooting a film on himself in Himachal Pradesh. You have the time to shoot a film, but you don't have the time to appear in court.
Allow me to answer.
No, I don't understand the double standard, sir. I said bring the Babas down to earth.
No.
Bring them, appear in court.
You
may be the Baba for your own followers, but as far as the court is concerned, you have one law. And even if you have political support, so what if the BJP supports you? The BJP also has a law to believe in.
If this is an informed debate, then this cannot be a monologue. Allow me to answer. First of all, Guruji has been attending all the courts regularly. Now, after the attack in Nilokheri on Guruji's carcade, when 2.5 kilos of RDX was used to try and blow up his vehicle, after that, the state government moved court. After that, the video conferences started. And for the 313 section also, it is also under an order by the Honorable High Court, because the CBI had taken up this matter. It was an order by the Honorable High Court under which the video conferences are continuing.
I'll tell you where you're wrong. You make the bench of justice. The bench of justice. The bench of Justice K. Kannan. You answer me on fact. The bench of Justice K. Kannan observed on November 14th when your chief. Allow me to complete.
Nothing to do with this matter.
I'm telling you.
This matter was put up before
I am
another
talking
bench by the CBI.
The DERA chief. Please let me quote the court. When your chief
allow video conferencing.
Sir,
how can we quote Justice Kannan's judgment when it does not pertain to the matter at hand?
So I'll quote what the court said. The court said.
I'll give you a copy of the judgment.
You see, I'll tell you what the court is there in the court. Please listen to me, please, Dr. Aditya. Don't speak. Listen, explain the facts. When the rock star, love guru, love charger, whatever love charger Baba skips the court appearance for the murder and rape case on November 23rd, 2014, then while hearing the fresh petition against Ram Rahim on November 14th, the bench of Justice K. Kannan, besides issuing the notice to the Haryana government, observes, and I quote, the courts are not run by Babas. What do they think of themselves? Demigods? And the court says even Lord Krishna had to spend some time behind bars. The courts are run by judges, not by Babas. And I'm asking this question today that just because you got political support, you think they get away with it? Love charger Babas will get away with it? Come on, don't ridicule this.
This was the oral observations of the court. We already have a judgment on board.
So now you agree. No, now you agree. You were just contradicting me sometime.
Guruji, to appear by video conference, it is another judgment by the Honorable High Court.
Sanjay Hegde is coming in. Sanjay Hegde is saying something.
In another matter and not this matter.
Arnab, no exemption can be granted until somebody asks for it. I find it rather amusing that somebody who has supernatural powers almost, because of one incident, decides that he is not going to come, but he is going to manifest himself. He is going to manifest himself only through video conferencing. Only through video conferencing. He is going to come and
there were several attempts on Guruji's life. One was there in Nirmal Lifestyle Mall in Mumbai. Another was there in Khukianwali. The third was there in Nilokheri. And there were a couple of others.
One second, please. You know, these Babas, somebody is to take on the Babas.
Have been caught by the government.
Allow me to complete. The youth of this country wants to think about. Satyapal Jain, kya hua? Is this India first or Baba first? First of all, let the BJP tell me. ये promise किया था आपने कि बाबा फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट चलाएंगे?
Baba first. India is recognized with the name of Hinduism and Babagiri.
What are you saying? What again? You bring the Hinduism angle.
Clear. We believe in the rule of law. Any person may
there
be
can
any
be Muslim Babas as well.
He or she
so you are not talking. You are not taking any single name of Muslim person at here. Why you are talking?
It's not a Hindu-Muslim affair. It's not a Hindu-Muslim affair.
Coming first. I'm sorry.
There can be Baba.
Today unnecessarily you are blaming the BJP for certain things done either by the Congress government at the center or the Congress government in the Haryana. We came to power only 2 months back. What have we done? In our government,
what have you done exactly? But you took their support. No, you went and said
full cooperation to CBI.
One second. On the 13th of October, before the Haryana elections, the political wing of Dera Sacha Sauda decided to extend support to the BJP in all 90 assembly constituencies of Haryana. We will extend support to the BJP candidates in Haryana on all seats. We have considerable following pan-India. We have decided to extend support to the BJP in Maharashtra also. So, earlier Asaram supports you. Asaram supports you. Asaram supports you.
Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha.
This Baba supports you.
Candidate from Chandigarh and the Dera had announced its support to the Congress. So simply because one time they did not support the Congress, so you will like to bring
and you give him Z category security.
Since they announced this
and he has Z category security.
Very unfortunate.
Do you give him Z category security?
Starting with
Arnab, you have to allow me
to give him Z category security. Rape, murder and forced castration charges. You give him Z category security also on top of it. I mean, what is this going on?
All will be investigated by the CBI.
Why the heck you have to explain that there are intelligence bureau intercepts of cross-border activity? There are IB intercepts of ISI getting involved in going hammer and tongs against Guruji. There are terror formations that are working against Guruji.
What is one second, Dr. Aditya?
RDX against us. There are multiple attacks.
But Dr. Aditya, what does that have to do? What does that have to do with the rape, murder, and castration charges? Please tell me.
Exactly. I have to elaborate on this.
What's Indira Tiwari, I think, wants to say something here.
Lady,
no. Indira Tiwari wants to say something here. Please, yes, Indira Tiwari. इंदिरा तिवारी कुछ कहना चाहती है, उनको आने दीजिए. Indira Tiwari, please. Dr. Indira Tiwari, General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha, is saying something here. Please listen.
Making false allegations or engineering and orchestrating false allegations is small change. They can easily do that with their authority and with their interest and their linkage.
Sir, there is a CBI.
There is a brand of communal politics. They can always do that.
Question to me. Let me answer him.
Yes, go ahead, Dr. Tiwari.
My learned friend, hello, Arnav, how are you?
I'm well.
But you know, sometimes I feel that you are too arrogant and you do not allow panelists to speak their voice. Even in parliament, allow the opportunity to speak up their mind, and this is the freedom of speech, you know, granted by Constitution. My learned friend Hegde must agree with me.
Make your point. Make your point, Dr. Tiwari.
My learned, yes, I'm coming to the point. I would just argue you had been shouting louder than the voice that so many charges have been labelled. The Constitution and the CRPC clearly states until and unless anybody, even an accused, is not proved guilty, you cannot hang or you cannot be judgmental. So my opinion only to this extent is that if there is anything which has been ordered by High Court of Chandigarh or Haryana, whatever it is, I'm not very well aware because the entire legal facts are not before me. Therefore, I find myself unable to comment on that.
That is my
but Mr. Aditya, please let me speak. I'm speaking now, okay? What I'm saying is, until and unless whatever the charges, maybe 100, maybe 1,000 charges are leveled against anybody, be it Baba, be it father, be it pastors, be it Maulvi, be it anybody, from any corner of the country. But until and unless that charges are proved to be correct, we have no authority to make anybody accused. That is my very humble request, and I believe the panelists and you will agree.
Tiwari, so Dr. Tiwari,
let us wait
Dr.
for
Tiwari,
the investigation.
No, Dr. Tiwari, first of all, no, you may, let me counter you on one thing. No, I'm saying something, Dr. Tiwari.
The rights, the constitutional rights.
This is not the way. This is not the way he is addressing me. I'm capable to answer, Arnav.
You're capable to answer me. This is a democracy, and let me tell you, sometimes we have better debates here. We actually allow the debates to happen. We don't have walkouts as many times as there are in Parliament. Now, the question here is, Dr. Tiwari, you make an important point. You say the person has not been held guilty, and so does Gurmeet Ram Rahim, spokesperson on the program. So he's not guilty. I would like to invite both your attention to two things. One, the Congress and the BJP have had strong associations with him. One. Secondly, the Congress and the BJP have run the state government. Third,
association with him.
Third, listen to me, Satyapal Jain, why are you getting excited? The third is, the High Court has slammed the state government's actions. You know what the High Court has said? The High Court has said, and I quote, the state police has done no credit to itself by allowing grass to grow under its feet and nibbling at the periphery and conducting an investigation which is worthless. You understand? And it goes on to say, and I quote, High Court goes on to say the clout that a person enjoys with patronage lying outside spiritual circles can make even a powerful police go limp. So what the High Court is saying is that because a person has clout, you cannot go slow. And by the way, these charges cannot go on for so long. In which period he also does not make a single instance, not once does he come to court.
One thing. May I just clarify one thing?
Absolutely.
That's what I'm saying.
Arnav, the reason is this.
Let one of you at a time. Dr. Tiwari is responding.
On 6th of October. Why are you blaming the BJP?
Sir, because... Okay, why am I blaming the BJP? A hand goes up. Maheshinder... Manjeet Singh GK.
Arnav, we are talking Babas here. We are talking about the unnatural power that these people who claim to be men of God have over courts, over institutions, over the police.
Yes,
what really is required is, irrespective of politics, please render unto Caesar what...
Dr. Aditya Insan. Dr. Aditya Insan is responding. Let Dr. Insan respond to you. Dr. Insan, please let me moderate this. Dr. Insan is responding. Let Dr. Insan.
Read the judgment of the Honorable Judge Mr. Hegde. You are a very senior lawyer. Why were you blaming BJP in your opening remarks? All these expressions are...
I am saying not Congress, not BJP. I am not saying Congress or BJP.
Kindly read the judgment.
I am saying not Congress, not BJP. Let us discuss Babas. Let us discuss
Why
Babas.
Why Babas? Why
Babas?
No. Why
Babas of
No.
Hindu, Sikh, Christian, any kind of Babas.
All Babas.
Don't use this word.
We are not the soft target in this country now.
Everybody, even those who were responsible for conversion also. No.
Let's talk Godman. Let us talk Godman.
No.
Let us talk Godman.
You are not allowed to pass such a sweeping comment on Babas only.
Godman.
Godman is okay.
Republic of India.
It's not a religion-specific issue.
Is Godman okay?
It's not a Hindu issue.
Okay, now
let us talk.
Yes, Pandit Ajay Gautam. Pandit Ajay Gautam is saying something. I actually wanted Dr. Aditya to respond to my question.
Why?
No, that's wrong.
First of all, don't speak at all at one time. Okay, 1 second, please. Will you please stop for a minute, all of you there in the Delhi? Will you give me 1 minute, please? Dr. Gautam. Now, I'll moderate this. I first want Dr. Gautam to respond. After that, others will come in. Yes, Dr. Gautam, make your point.
I said, in the premises of Honorable Supreme Court, when the precipitation of some person, I forget the name of then Honorable Supreme Court denied that there is a lot of persons said about the Honorable, our former Prime Minister, कि if the Supreme Court not grant, usko maaf nahi karenge, then we will take him in the Harminder Sahib. For we called him from the Kal Takht. Then nobody can raise the issue.
What are you talking about?
You are targeting
nothing like this has ever happened.
The Hindu sadhu sants only.
Nothing like this has happened. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This gentleman.
Where Maulvi raped more than 30 women in a mother's house, then nobody can raise his voice. Then a father raped and so many nuns in Kerala, nobody can raise his voice. When something
there
has
never been any particular name which this gentleman is referring to.
Sometime on the different Baba.
You know, first of all, I think, may I please, no, Pandit Ajay Gautam. Pandit Ajay Gautam, 1 minute. Pandit Gautam, मेरी बात सुनिए.